Hello, my name's Adrian Mann, Product Specialist for Terex. With my colleague Richard, we'd like to highlight some of the features of the rental tough Terex TA2 and TA3 site dumpers. Let's start by looking at the chassis and skip. The platforms for these highly successful site dumpers are their heavy-duty front and rear chassis. The TA2 chassis width, in particular, have been reduced to make the site dumper ideally suited for plant trailers. Connecting these two chassis together is a well-proven centre pivot with large diameter pivot pin and powerful steering ram. This allows excellent frame articulation and oscillation to ensure optimum manoeuvrability and ground contact at all times. The large capacity skip is ideally suited for the rental industry, manufactured from heavy gauge steel. Likewise, the reinforced deep box section around the top of the skip offers high impact resistance from excavator buckets. The TA2 and TA3 can be supplied with two variants, either as a power tip or power swivel model. The TA2 has the added advantage of a high discharge option with a 1.64 metre tipping height for direct loading into builders' skips and high-sided trucks. Now onto the engine, transmission and service access. Both models incorporate tilting engine covers, which allow excellent access to their powerful Kubota engines. Easy access means that daily service checks can be quickly and safely carried out from ground level. There are two transmission options, a 3-speed manual gearbox on the TA3 or a 2-speed hydrostatic drive as standard on the TA2 and an option on the TA3. Both versions deliver permanent four-wheel drive for excellent traction in the most demanding of conditions. Now let's take a look at the operator station and most importantly, safety. Large, well-positioned grab rails and self-cleaning steps aid access and egress. Machine controls are close to hand and with an easy-to-read control panel ensure a pleasant operating experience. A comfortable seat with multiple adjustments as well as a lockable storage compartment for documentation furthers this experience. With safety of utmost importance, incorporated into the machine is a seat switch which ensures the operator has to be seated and the direction lever in neutral on the hydrostatic version before the machine can be started. On the manual machine, the operator has to be seated with the clutch depressed to allow starting. Also standard on all Terex site dumpers are folding ROPs fitted with a bayonet style of flashing beacon for ease of removal. An articulation lock is supplied and must be fitted to eliminate a crush area when lifting or carrying out maintenance on the machine. Also, to increase the versatility of the site dumper, a road lighting kit is available, which makes the machine safe to use both on the highway and after dark. Let's sum up the main points of the TA2 and TA3 site dumpers. Rental tough, heavy-duty chassis and fabrications. The option of power tip, power swivel or elevated skip for added versatility. Powerful and reliable Kubota engine. A choice of manual gearbox or hydrostatic transmission. Comfortable, well laid out operator's area. Safety first, designed as standard.